Hello, I'm Ahmed Al-Barri, Field Application Specialist at ScioSense. Today I want to talk to you about a very unique product which we have, which is the ACM module family. The ACM stands for Air Classification Module, and it does exactly that. It classifies the air outside and hinders bad air from getting inside the cabin. Here I would like to go walk through the demonstration which we have at Electronica, which basically you have the air ACM module at the front of the tube to detect the air quality coming outside, and it's used typically in an application where the flop of the car is closed in order to hinder bad air from getting inside the cabin. And this is a very typical application and used in large quantities, and a lot of OEMs you can find typical in any car that you are driving nowadays. Here I would like then to show you a little bit of introducing the contaminant, and basically as soon as I introduce a contaminant, the sensor is then responding, and then you have a quick reaction to contaminants in the air. We do a lot of test drives and check the sensor reactiveness in many different conditions. The idea here, if you're passing, for instance, by a farm where there are a lot of pollutants in the air, or passing by in a tunnel where there are bad contaminants which are coming inside, would be coming otherwise inside the car, the sensor is triggered, gives the reaction that the flop is controlled to stop the bad air from coming in, and then you have clean air inside the car. In conclusion, I would like to thank you, and if you have any questions or would like to know more about our sensing solutions, feel free to contact me or any of the experts at ScioSense. Thank you, and I wish you a great day.